Good morning, America. Joe Reese, Honest Abe Roofing, out here in the middle of Hurricane Gordan, feels like. Trying to solve some serious problems for some people in need. Bad leaks by the gallons coming in their home. They decided to wait till it was raining to give us a call. But that's okay, because we'll come. We'll do it. We don't care. We might care, but we'll come. Gosh, it's hard to even know where to start to describe this roof. But I'm going to fix it. We're going to solve this problem. If I don't get blown off the roof, we'll be okay. Let me see if I can get this thing flipped around here for you. Okay, older roof. 25 plus years. Had a lot of adjustments over it, things added to it, things torn off of it. A lot of home craftsmanship work going on here. You can see they've taken a regular home and brought in a mobile unit and tied to it. Done it themselves. Got a little time out of it. They paid 3, 4, 5 professionals. They paid 4 or 5 different professional groups to come out here and try to solve this problem for them. No luck as of yet, but I know my team, and we're going to get this thing done. If you got some issues that you can't resolve, been tried before, don't give up. Call the pros, and we'll do everything we can to solve your problems. Give us a call or hit the link below. Thanks.